Yes, in this video, we are going to learn about how can we do this uh, a loft base. For that, initially we have to create a new document. We click on the part, select OK. If you want to create a loft base means we have to create around 3 to 4 parallel planes. For that, I am creating a planes now. I am taking this as a reference. I am giving like 25 mm and creating one plane, and then again I am adding the reference geometry. If you click on that drop down, you can find a plane. If you select the plane, they will ask the reference of the plane at the left side of the screen. If we select the existing data plane, I'm just adding like 100 mm. I'm increasing the number of planes into 2 now. Now you can see there are 3 planes are created. If you want to create this feature means loft base. If you want to create this feature means initially we have to create 3 to 4 planes, and then on that individual plane we have to create a sketch. Initially I am creating a sketch on the top plane. I am creating a circle. I am adding the dimension for that circle like 100 mm. After that, exit sketch. And then you can observe that I have created one sketch on this plane. Again, I am creating one more sketch on the other plane too. For that, normal to the plane. The shortcut for normal to the plane is Control 8. I'm now adding the dimension for that. I just want to give dimension. Let me give like 150 mm. After that, exit sketch once again. And now you can see I have created a 2 sketch on 2 parallel planes. Now I am creating sketch on the third plane too, normal to the plane. And now I want to create a circle once again, adding the dimension of that dimension for that circle. I'm just adding like 75 mm. It will be smaller than those 2 circles. Exit sketch. Now you can see I have created 3 sketches on 3 parallel planes, and now again I am creating sketch on this normal to the plane. For that you have to press Control 8. Now again I am defining this sketch too as an 75 mm. Exit sketch. Now the isometric view. Now you can easily see that I have created 4 parallel planes individually, and I have created 4 sketches on that plane that you can see on the left side of the screen as well in the design tree. Now if you want to add the guidelines, now means I have to take this and plane or normal to the plane. There is an option called spline. If you click on that option, Now I want to hide all the planes, and now I can see the only sketch I can see now. Now I am creating this plane. I'm just joining the edge of the circles, end of the circles. I'm just joining. Select. You can see this shape now. Again, I'm selecting spline. I'm creating this spline on the other end too. I'm just joining it. You can see now. Then again exit sketch, and again we have to create one more sketch now that should be on the front plane. Let us create it. Again we have to create this plane, or else the profile will be like irregular shape. If you want the uniform profile on all the sides, means we have to give this spline will be similar to all those. Now I have created this spline on both the sides. Now you can see that I have created this spline on both the sides. Now if I go for isometric view, this is what you can see. Now I can click on this Loft base. There is two options here. The first one will be like a profile column. On profile column we have to select all the sketches, which I'm doing right now. I'm selecting the sketch. I'm selecting the circles which I have created. In this guide curve, we have to select the vertical spline which we have created. This is the open loop. Select open loop and select OK. Now you can see there is now you can see the material is added according to this plane, and there is an irregular shape on the other side. That's the reason I have created this plane on all the sides to maintain the same amount of material on all the sides. And now I am selecting the other side spline, clicking on that, selecting the open loop and selecting OK. Now you can see there is irregular material on the other two sides, which you can see at this view. Now for that we have to select other two spline as well, which I am doing. Open loop sketch it is. I'm clicking OK on that. Again there is some irregular material on the other sides, which you can see all the sides materials are equal. On one side the material is added more. For that we have to create a sketch, which I have already done, and I am selecting that spline too. Open loop spline, that is, I'm selecting OK, and now I am clicking on OK. Now you can see the wonderful 3D model. If you want to make this as a open, means we have an option called shell. If you click on that, if you select this face, means if we don't want to select this face, actually I don't want to select that face. I want to add the thickness like 2 mm on all the sides. And now you can see if I click OK, means the thickness of this wall will be like exactly 2 mm, as you know that. Now we can add the material for this. The material is not specific. If you want to add the material, right click on that, edit material. You can see some huge material option which are existing in market. Those things I can steel, it is highly impossible. It cannot be steel or iron, aluminum alloys, copper alloys. It cannot be like that. Plastic, we can consider plastic, but we don't know which specific plastic it will be like. Uh, Polyethanol appearance will be in white. Yes, you can also see the properties of that material. You can see like mass density and thermal conductivity, those things. Now for that other material, what I gonna select now is yes, it can be glass. Possibilities are there. The shape can be glass, and this will be the appearance. I'm selecting apply and then close. Now we can see that now you can see the appearance of that. If you want to change the background means we can change that. These are the backgrounds which are available in SolidWorks. If you want to select this means this will be more awkward. This will be like if you select this, yes, this will be appearance. Actually it is looking good. um, yes guys, and here you can see I have used only these two features to create this 3D model. We can create 3D model as per this option, and also how much you practice this particular software, and and of course we are going to learn new things about the software too. Stay tuned to this channel.